Hi guys. Today
we are going to play Don't Press the Button. Yes. Private server.
Anyways, let's just start playing.
I am the master.
Okay, so just catch the gifts from the conveyor belt and put them on the conveyor belt. Okay, that's easy. You're actually Shrek because you keep getting green, so look guys, I won.
No, wait, I got 14.
14? We didn't even survive, but thank you.
I'm gonna find it in my private server. Now I'm sad.
Stay sad.
No, same. I haven't played them in such a long time, actually. Nah. That's not fair.
Oh, yeah. Wow, why is it so high?
Guys, we're going to do multiple videos after this video ends. Yep. No! I pressed it! I love this one. Yay. I clicked the button.
Bubble wrap, slay. Wait. After the bubble wrap.
I'm bored.
Oh guys, I just fell. That's okay. Anyways, we're gonna end off this video with this satisfying bubble pop.
Yeah.
We hope you enjoyed. Bye.